Hello everyone, I'm Adam McGee, President of the Balloon Training Academy. As a designated pilot examiner, I field many questions from both instructors and applicants on how to use IACRA to complete an 8710-1 form in preparation for a practical exam. I wanted to create this short video to show instructors on how you would use IACRA to complete the application for your student in IACRA. To do this, I'm using the IACRA training site. The actual IACRA website is iacra.faa.gov. As an instructor, you might not already have an IACRA account. To create your IACRA account, you would click on Register and enter in your information and create your own username and password. You would then enter in your username and password to access IACRA. For this training site, I'm using the IACRA training site's username and password. We'll then click Login. You will then accept the terms of service as a recommending instructor. It is important to remember that as a commercial balloon pilot, you are not a CFI and therefore cannot process a student pilot's application. However, in IACRA, as a recommending instructor as a commercial balloon pilot, you can sign off and complete the applications for your student or private pilot as they are applying for a private or commercial rating. You accept the terms of service as the recommending instructor. You then retrieve your student's application by using the FTN. We're going to use the FTN from the hypothetical applicant in the previous video. We now see here was our applicant from the previous video, and our available action is to continue, and we hit go. If we notice any errors in this application, we can click here to return the application to the applicant. We can click here to view the 8710-1 form that our student has completed. We can look it over, make sure that everything is correct as far as name, address, the rating sought, the experience grid, all the hours, flights. Once we're done reviewing, we can close that. We would then enter in the Airman Knowledge Test. Now it's saying it's not required for this applicant because in this training site, this applicant already holds a powered aircraft rating, and when they go to balloon, they are not required to have a knowledge test going from powered to non-powered. But for your applicant, as they are balloonists, they likely do not hold other certificates and ratings. So a knowledge test would be required to enter in here. You would click this link and look up the knowledge test report by the test ID code. And once you've selected that, you can close it. You'll see a check mark there. You can then click here to view the applicant certificate summary. And again, you'll make sure that all that's correct as far as the ratings and limitations. You can then click here to sign the 8710-1 form. But first, preview the application. Again, look it over, make sure everything is correct. You then click the Sign Application button, and it'll take you down to this red arrow where it says Click to Sign in blue, and you can electronically click it and sign the application. And now you can see your signature was successful. You can review the 8710-1 if you'd like, where you can see that your signature is now at the bottom as the recommending instructor. And now you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions, you can visit our website, www.theballoontrainingacademy.com. Thanks for watching.